Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn joining multiple tables together. So let's start the video.
Now, let's come over to the next type, that is joining multiple tables. So in this, what we need to do is, let's suppose you have multiple tables. Let's suppose we take three tables. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So in this, we make three columns. Let this be ID, CID, KID. 1, 2, 3, 3 to 1, 2 to 3. And this will put ID. This column is C column, and we'll put something as name. Then let this be 1, 2, 3, then some names. Then here K column, we have ID. In this 1, 2, and 3. And then again we put some data if we want. So now what will happen? Our thing is that, okay, we want to combine firstly this table with this one on the basis of CID, then later on a resultant table to combine with this KID and this KID to form a resultant table of these three tables. So how are we going to do this? We are going to do this with the help of inner join only. So first of all, I'll tell you the syntax. You can write it like this. Select a number of all the columns which you want to select, then from yeah, from, then you take space, table 1, and then you write join or inner join, table 2, then you can write certain condition. Later on again you can write join or inner join, table 1, join table 3 with an on condition. So this would be the way we would be doing this question. Let's quickly come over to the workbench. Okay, so we'll just make a transformation in the tables. We'll keep it table with the name C and K, and let this table be students table only. Okay, I don't think so. We need this, yeah. So we'll keep it CID int KID, and these are some random datas. And let's do one thing before this. We'll drop this table, quickly drop this table too. This has been made. Now we'll be making the next table, that is C. In that we'll be keeping ID and then name varchar 200, and then the next one will be making it K and let it be ID, and then we'll keep it city and int. Guess it's fine now. Let's run this one. Let's run this one. Let's run this one. Yes, I guess now three tables have been made, C, K, and students. So let's quickly enter some values in student 1. Now don't save. Is there anything which we can add? Okay, here the data would be changed. Now let's put something as 1 to 1. Copy. This would be 5. IDs are this 4, 3, and 2. Keep this as 1. Let this be 3. Let this be 1, and let this be 3. Talking about this, let this be 2, 2, 3, 3, and let the last one be 1. Okay, now let's insert them. These values have been inserted now. Now we have, let's come on. This is fine, this is fine. Now we'll put certain names in the table C. So we can write, we'll copy this from this only. Insert into C, let them be, we'll keep on adding 3 cities only, 1. Let the city name be Anipat. Let the next one be Delhi. Next one be Bangalore. This is fine now, I guess. Yes, these entries have been made in this. We have made certain entries in the C table. Okay, I've added cities in the C table. Okay, no issues. There won't be any issues for this. So now that had to be name. We'll put name here then in the K table. No issues. We have to put the name. Let it be high. Then the second one be hello. Let the third one be, we'll put it say for bye. Done. Now finally we'll come on to our select star from which table. What is the name of the first table? We are taking students inner join it with table C on students dot C. If I'm not wrong, we had these 3 things. Yeah, sorry, it is CID dot CID equal to C dot ID. Let's see what all entries we get. Okay, these are the entries we got. Now we can write one more time inner join C on, sorry, inner join. This is the final table. We have to join this table with which table? K. Inner join with K on what are the conditions? We want to say that, okay, students dot KID equal to K dot ID. Now let's see. Okay, I guess there is something missing over here, or we didn't get any such IDs. Let me see. Why is it empty? These are the KIDs in this table. So we have students dot KID with K dot ID. So I guess I didn't execute this one. Let me first of all see. This is fine, yes. This is fine. Okay, my K table is only empty. Okay, I have made this one for K but didn't execute it. No issues. I'll execute it now. Insert into values. Okay, what is the issue? High for the column city. Okay, let me see. What is the issue over here? ID and then city. Yeah, incorrect integer value high for the column in 1. How come is it wrong? Insert into K. Values are correct. 1, then high, then city. Okay, we have taken this as to be int. No issues. We just need to learn the joining. We'll keep it as 3. Let's give them big numbers. 100. Okay. 100. 200. We'll keep this as 300. Now let's put them. Yeah, now it is fine. I guess this will work. This is fine. This is fine. Coming over to this one. So this was our basic query, and when we added this thing also in the query, see 100, 200, 200 and 300. So by this way we were able to firstly join students in C, then the combined table of students in C with K. So this was my final output by joining all the 3 tables.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please do like, share and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.